Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. My name is Frank Kerrigan and I'm owner of Kerrigan Production, music video production based in Los Angeles, California. And in this video today I'm gonna share with you my opinion about shooting free content. And I'm probably gonna give you the right answer just at the beginning of this video. It's okay to shoot a free content, but when you're approaching people instead of them approaching you. For example, if some big artist has show in your city and his name gonna look really good in credits on your website and in your Instagram bio, it makes a lot of sense for you to work with him even for free. So you can reach out to him or to his management about shooting, show recap and tour update in your city, because it might be really beneficial for you. And there is nothing bad to shoot content for free when you will get a new high quality portfolio and when you will network with the professionals of the industry. And probably it's gonna be the only way for you to shoot video for them, to approach them and offer to do it for free, because they might have a lot of other people who are trying to do it. But if some people approaching you, it could be like some big names or just usual musicians, companies, people, and they want you to shoot something for free. They promise you exposure, that if the project gonna be good, they will approach you later on with bigger budgets. It's gonna be a nice networking for you. I would not recommend you to do it, because if they're already approaching you, it means that they like level of quality that you provide. And if they're already interested in working with you, they should be able to pay you price for your services. And if they don't want to do it, it means that they don't really have respect to you. And I would not recommend for you to work with such people. I've done a lot of projects for free, for exposure, to get a new portfolio, to meet new people in the past, and I don't regret about it, because most of the time I got a lot of benefits from it. But every time when I was doing it, it was me approaching people, not people approaching me. Anyway, right now I don't need to do any job for free, because my production, we're closing from 20 to 25 clients per month using automated sales funnel. And if you want to find out how you can do it too, you can follow the link in the description. It was my opinion about shooting content for free, and see you in the next video. Bye!